Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best heated mattress pad in 2019. To see the price and more information about these heated mattress pad, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Sunbeam water-resistant heated mattress pad.
What can heated bedding do for me that traditional bedding can't? At least 3 amazing things. 1. Shake off those winter chills. 2. Customize the temperature of your bed. 3. Provide soothing therapeutic heat. What kind of products offer these benefits? Heated throws, blankets, and mattress pads. How do I choose the right one for me? Do you want to shake off those winter chills while relaxing on the couch? Wrap yourself in the extra warmth and softness of a Sunbeam heated throw. Do you want to customize the temperature of your bed so you can fall asleep comfortably? Choose from up to 20 heat settings and even preheat cold sheets before bedtime with a Sunbeam heated blanket. Do you want to provide soothing therapeutic heat to those muscle and joint aches and pains so you can wake up rested? The Sunbeam heated mattress pad gives you soothing therapeutic heat for a restful night's sleep. Sunbeam, the complete solution for heated bedding.
At number 4. We have the Sunbeam therapeutic heated mattress pad. Sunbeam is a pioneer and industry leader when it comes to heated mattress pad technology. Unlike other manufacturers who only provide 1 or at most 2 heating zones, Sunbeam provides you with 3. You can use the simple controls to target the heat exactly where you want to. Back pain won't be a problem. You won't certainly feel any tension on your shoulder and neck muscles when you wake up after a good night's sleep. Finally, it fully has a wireless control that doesn't involve any interference. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Perfect Fit heated mattress pad. Perfect Fit provides you heated mattress pad that is designed to ease your life. It provides you with a better experience than whatever you owned before. Instead of thick and rigid warming wires, this pad uses a thin wire which you won't be able to detect. They give you overall consistent warmth, and due to their flexible nature, they last you much longer. Above all, use a low voltage warming which is safer than most other alternatives in the market. At number 2. We have the Sensor-Pedic heated mattress pad. A heated mattress pad is good for your sore muscles or protecting yourself from the cold bed sheets during winter. Sensor-Pedic provides you with a heated mattress pad which also keeps most of the allergens out of your mattress. Even if you accidentally spill some water or drinks, you don't need to worry. The top fabric is made out of brushed nylon. Polyester has water-repelling properties. However, with the warming digital controller, you just need to push the button to stay all cozy. Finally, this skirt is meant to embrace any mattress of 18 inches. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Sunbeam Quilted Polyester Heated Mattress Pad. Sunbeam Quilted Polyester Heated Mattress Pad is available in a variety of thicknesses, qualities and controllers. The Sunbeam Quilted Polyester Heated Mattress Pad with dual Easy Set Pro controllers is one such variation. It makes reliable claims at a very affordable price. Sunbeam Quilted Heated Mattress Pads have a nice vertical quilted design that stands out considering to the top layer of your bedding. The construction is the same as the previous product with 100% polyester design. The 140 thread count is enough for a comfortable feel to your back. The 5-ounce fill gives you some padding that keeps your back elevated from the wires. It is available in twin XL full, queen, king sizes. The skirting falls long enough to cover an 18 inches thick mattresses. This heated mattress pad features dual heating zones, each controlled via hand controller each. The controllers are ergonomically designed and look like a computer mouse. It has a large power button with a larger dial. The LCD screen for displaying the temperature is small in size, but it is easily readable with negative back display and lip numbers that are not disturbingly visible through the night. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.